In the latest Toolroom RN35.1 release, we have introduced another mode of ball nose grinding. So we can grind the ball previously with the toroid radius of the cup wheel, but now we can use the flat face of a cup wheel or a 1v1 wheel or a 1a1 wheel. So we've got the wheel chamfer and the wheel periphery. So when you activate the wheel chamfer, we have the ball contact length, which is actually the shift from the toroid radius where the flat has to be used in grinding, and we can use this. And we also have a continuous grinding from the OD where it transitions into the flat, or we can have a two-path where it takes a loop around the ball to grind. So when you look at it, we can see now it comes up. So it's grinding the OD with the toroid radius, and as it approaches, it transitions into the flat face of the wheel, and we get a very good surface finish, and we can even grind the chisel with this method and achieve a better surface finish, cutting edge quality, etc. And don't rely on the toroid radius of the wheel, so you get a better accuracy of the ball as well.